Hi everyone, it's Heidi from flutterbyheidi.co.uk, and this is a follow-up project to my 6 ink spot storage, and this is my 4 spot storage that I also showed, and you can see here it just holds 4 of our ink spots in a convenient little box ready to go. It's the same construction as the previous one, but just slightly different measurements in the one direction. But several people have asked if I could do them a quick video, so here you go. You will need your stamping trimmer, and you'll need a piece of card that is 8 inches by 4 1/4 inches. And again, I've used this lovely Painted Love and DSP as well. You're going to score the long edge, and this is the same, at 1/2 inch, 1 7/8 inch, 2 5/8 inch, 5 3/8, 6 1/8, and 7 1/2. Turn it round in the other direction, and at both ends 3/4 inch from either end, or at 3 5/8, 3 1/2 even, 3 1/2 inches. So easy to measure it, 3/4 inch from either end. Once you've scored your cardstock, you need to reinforce those, because we're box making, it really does make it go together much easier. And burnishing, in effect, if you think about scoring as kind of telling it where to go, and the burnishing just reinforces that. What the scoring actually does is it stretches the fibres slightly to make it crease without cracking. So all 4 corners cut away. There we go, and that's these little squares on all 4 corners. Then cut up and notch out the little tabs, and the same on the other end of that long tab in the middle. Turn it over or turn it round, do the same on the other side. Looks like that, and then we've just taken that 1/4 inch off what are now the 4 outer tabs. Like so. Okay, then we're on to corner rounding. So pop your corner rounder in, just fold those other bits out of the way so that you can get it snugly into the corner of your corner rounder. Like so. And on the end as well. Again, not essential. You know, if you haven't got a corner rounder, don't worry about it. Obviously you can buy one from unfortunately Stampin' Up doesn't sell a corner rounder at the moment, but they are readily available. If you contact me, I can obviously point in the direction of where you can get it from as well. And another one, and the last one, like so. Clear the debris away. So pop out. I mean, the lovely thing about this DSP is the fact that it's double-sided, as well as being foiled on one side, it's double-sided as well. So it really is beautiful. I should be very sad to see it go. This is the DSP that I had to demonstrate at the sort of 6 months ago when it was first launched. So I have a special affection for it, because it was one of those moments where I opened up the box and kind of went, ooh, that is lovely. And I don't normally do stuff bling. I do tend to be a bit straightforward, as you probably noticed. Okay, so once you've done your gluing, just take that tape off and fold up those box sides nice and square on both sides, and the same on the other end. There you go. There's our box. All that's left is to add our little notches to make it easier for us to get in and out. So just a little bit, you can see that probably pinged it up into the camera face, camera lens even. And the same here. So I'm just lining the outside edge up with that crease and just putting a little notch in. Obviously we don't want to go too far because we don't want to eat into that flap there. And then all that remains to do is pop our Stampin' Spots in. For whatever project you happen to be doing. And there you have a pair of Stampin' Spots, storage and or transport, more importantly, so that when you get to wherever you're going, you know you've got those ink spots nice and safe. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me again soon. Bye.